Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I actually don't want to talk about JB Hunt today, but I feel like Tesla has been extensively covered by Jeremy with a really good video and by Gally with another really good video. So since I don't really have anything to add there, I'm going to have a look at JB Hunt today. So they reported earnings last week, I think. What they do is freight transport. They have a very big trucking fleet. They deliver things all over the country. Current price is nearly $112, which gives them a market cap of nearly $12 billion. Current dividend yield is just under 1% with a payout ratio of 22%. So obviously not that much room for growth here. Their company is paying over 4%. So clearly at the current pace, JB Hunt will not really get there. But, you know, if the stock price drops a bit, that definitely within reach. Revenue, $9.2 billion. Earnings, $516 million, both up 5%, which gives them PE of 24. Forward PE projected to be 17, which is definitely all right. It's not great, but what can you really ask for? Total assets, $5.5 billion. Total liabilities, $3.2 billion, which gives them a very healthy balance sheet with a total stockholders' equity of $2.3 billion, which is also up 7%, which is really nice, I would say. For a company of this size to have $2.3 billion in stockholders' equity is really good. Also, the ratio of assets to liabilities is good. The forward PE is decent. The dividend is decent. And the earnings and revenue growth is also pretty good. So overall, I would say that obviously there's going to be more and more stuff shipped by trucks all over the country. And since we mentioned Tesla, they have also ordered some Tesla trucks. So clearly there's some cost savings to be had there. And I would assume that once many semis are replaced by electric trucks, that shipping costs of trucks will go down enough to make them competitive with rail, which is obviously also a good thing for JB Hunt. So with that said, I think this is actually a pretty good buy for a value investor, not necessarily for a dividend investor, definitely not for a growth investor, but there is definitely quite a bit of upside here. And it's a very solid stock, and it seems like a fairly well-run company. So definitely look into this stock if you would like to have a good transport-based company, because they're likely not going anywhere. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.